What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about configuring enhanced security mode within Microsoft Edge using Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, super simple. Let's log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which will be right here. There we go. On the left-hand side, we are going to click on Show All. And we are going to locate Microsoft Intune. So locate it and click on it. Should take you here. We're going to click on Devices. And within Devices, we are going to locate underneath By Platform. Let's click on Windows. And underneath Manage Devices, we are going to click on Configuration. And within here, let's click on Create. And that will give us a nice little drop down with two options. We're going to select New Policy, so click on that, and it's going to give you a side menu. Now for the platform, we are going to click on the drop down, and we're going to select Windows 10 and later. And for the profile type, we are going to, click on the drop down, and we are going to select Settings Catalog. All the way in the bottom, let's click on Create, and it is time for us to create our profile. Give it a name. I gave it the following, pretty self-explanatory. On the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next. And it's time for us to set up our configuration. We are going to click on Add Settings. That is a hyperlink, so click on that. And we're going to type in the following, Enhance the security. You're able to hit Enter on the keyboard or just click on Search. As soon as you do that, it's going to give you this. So select Microsoft Edge. Soon as you do that, at the very bottom, it's going to give you four options. Now, for this video, we are going to focus on the computer configuration. You are able to push this out on a user level, but we are going to do it on the computer level. So we are going to actually select the first one. And as soon as you expand the first one, this is what you're going to select. Again, Devices is going to be for the computer. On the upper right-hand side, we're going to click on the X to close this out. And it is time for us to configure it. Pretty simple. By default, it is disabled. We are going to slide it to your right to enable it. And then it gives you an option. Now, by default, it gives you standard mode. If you click on the drop down, it gives you two additional modes, balance mode and strict mode. You are able to stick with the standard mode. I think standard mode by default is out of the box. But for this video, I'm going to do balance mode. And then on the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next. For tags, you are able to set up tags. I'm going to leave it as is. Click Next on the lower left-hand side. It is time for us to assign a group. I'm going to click on Add Groups, and I'm going to pick my group. And we're going to click on Select. On the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next, Review, and click on Create. On the upper right-hand side, you're going to see that you're going to get a nice little notification saying policy was created. And if you give it some time or refresh the page, there goes our new policy. Now, this policy was pushed out to the security group that you guys saw. Inside that security group, I have this particular computer, BTN HD 5859. And if you go inside the device configurations and you refresh this page or you give it some time, eventually you're going to see that that policy kicked in and it was successful, which is great. If we head over to that machine, which is right here, and we open up, Microsoft Edge, the way that you know is you need to get into the settings options within Microsoft Edge. So we are going to type in the following, Edge, Settings, Privacy, Security, and we're going to hit Enter. Once you do that, it takes you here, Balance Recommended. That's it. Hopefully, guys, enjoy this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.